We are doing an experiment with Ivory soap. We are microwaving it for 2 minutes to see how it changes the mass. It is a 3.1 ounce bar and it is 2 inches by 3 inches. My hypothesis is that it will explode. Luckily we have an old microwave because it sure smells like Ivory soap now.
Listen to me, what's it gonna be?
It's gonna be you!
What's it gonna be?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's awesome. The best part is, you can still use it as soap. That's so... Ew, it's flaky. Can I touch it? So, it didn't explode, but the shape changed. And it's all puffy. So my conclusion is, since it's 3 times bigger than it was before, it didn't lose any mass. It just changed shape.